Have dog questions? Read this helpful piece. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. Groom your dog regularly. A dog requires constant grooming to keep his coat in tip-top condition. Make sure that your dog is completely relaxed before you start the grooming session. This is especially important if he is excitable. Keep the session quite short, 5 to 10 minutes at most, until he is comfortable with the idea of being groomed. Most importantly, be sure to praise him and offer a treat after a successful grooming session. Refrain from making the training sessions with your dogs too long. Extended sessions can make a dog tire out and become bored easily when you are trying to teach them new things. Limit your training sessions to 20 to 30 minutes, as this will help to keep the full attention of your dog. If your young dog is teething and gnawing at everything, buy him a fun chew toy and keep it in the fridge. Not only does this provide him with a good alternative to your furniture, but the cold will help to make his gums feel better. Most younger dogs gnaw out of necessity, not poor manners. Avoid giving your pooch table food. Not only will table scraps turn your dog off on their regular food, but it will also teach them to constantly beg. You might be wrecking your dog's health by giving him table scraps. Insist that your dog wait away from the table during family meals to avoid temptation on his part, and yours. Practice training your dog in your house or yard. This prevents some of the problems that are associated with training around a lot of other people. This can cause your dog to get distracted, which can make training them simple commands almost impossible. Take your grown dog to the vet at least once a year. The vet will check to see if the dog's vaccine's up to date. In addition, the vet will check the dog's teeth and vital signs. If any major health or behavioral issues come up between annual checkups, you should see the vet earlier. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.